Am I audible? Just take rest for 5 minutes, then we will start. Just take rest for 5 minutes, then we will start, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, Radha. Hi, Radha. Hi, Radha. Hi, Radha.
Ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, please mute
Good
yourself.
afternoon, ma'am.
Everybody, mute yourself. Everybody, mute.
Good afternoon,
Hi,
ma'am.
Radha.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I will just
Hi,
remove you
Radha.
all.
Hi,
So please mute
Radha.
yourself now.
Hi, Radha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Radha.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Last time I am saying good
Good
afternoon, all of
afternoon,
you,
ma'am.
and please now mute yourself now. Anshika Srivastav is here. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself, all of you. Everybody mute yourself. Shreyash Singh, mute yourself. Anshika Upadhyay, Kashish. Kashish class 6th E. Netra Mukherjee, Shraddha Tiwari, Vaibhav Pandey, Vatsalya Singh. Everybody mute yourself, otherwise I will mute all of you and remove you from class. Netra, still you are not muting yourself. Mute yourself, Netra Mukherjee. Please go and bring your geometry box as well. Bring your geometry box. Bring your geometry box. You must have your scale, pencil, protector, and compass. You know what is compass? You know what is protector? Please keep all these things ready. Soumya, what is the problem?
Miss, your video is not coming.
Okay, fine. What I am saying is listen to that. Lower your hand. After asking your question, please lower your hand. Okay. You all can see. You all can see board? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So yesterday we did 21st chapter, that is linear symmetry. We started that chapter. Sakshi, means in starting only what question you have?
Ma'am, your board is not coming.
Rest of you can see. Show me your hand. Yes, they can see. Please check your connection. Now you can also see.
Miss came.
Lower your hand now. Lower your hand. Okay. So we were doing linear symmetry. Yes. That is chapter number 21 given on page number 248. I know, I hope so that you all have completed this circle. Yes, everybody has completed this circle. Yes. Okay. So linear symmetry. Yesterday, I explained you till how many symmetry axes of symmetry does the square have. I did that, na? Yes, I explained you, na? पढ़ाया था, बताया था कल कि स्क्वायर में कितने लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है? 4. I told you. Now we will do rhombus. Rhombus. What is the meaning of rhombus? Rhombus is rhombus. What is the property of rhombus? Rhombus is just like a square. Rhombus may be चारों sides equal होते हैं. Okay. All the 4 sides are equal. But why it is called as rhombus? In square, all the angles are also of 90 degrees. See, if this is a square, all sides were equal and the angles, all angles were of 90 degrees. All the angles were of 90 degree in square. अगर कोई पूछता है कि rhombus और square में difference क्या है, तो rhombus and square, both the cases, all the sides will be equal. But in a square, all the angles are 90 degree. But in rhombus, all the angles are not of 90 degree. Yes, in rhombus, opposite sides are parallel. ओके, इक्वल होते हैं बट उसके ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल होते हैं. फाइन. So how many axes of symmetry does the rhombus will have? The rhombus will have only 2 lines of symmetry. Is it okay? The rhombus में सिर्फ 2 हैं, whereas in square how many lines of symmetry were there? 4. In a square, we studied yesterday 4 lines of symmetry, isn't it? One this one, one this one was this one, and one was this one. Yes? Yes? Then we will study kite. Kite will have only 1 line of symmetry. Kite कैसा होता है? Kite की shape का, like this. Means this is equal to this and this is equal to this. So in this case, how many lines of symmetry you will get? Only 1 line of symmetry. Okay. So in case of kite, you will get only 1 line of symmetry. Okay, this was kite. So how many we did till now? हम लोगों ने किया line, only 1 line of symmetry. Then we did the angle. In angle, 1 line of symmetry. Then we did triangles. In triangle, we did 3 types of triangle. First was a scalene, no symmetry. Second was isosceles, 1 line of symmetry. Then we did equilateral, 3 lines of symmetry. Then we did rectangle. Rectangle we got 2 lines of symmetry. Then we did square, 4 lines of symmetry. Then we did rhombus. Rhombus, 2 lines of symmetry. Kite, 1 line of symmetry. अच्छा, क्यों बोला हमने kite में 1? If you will hold it from here, you will not get the overlapping of that figure. Okay, so that's why it is a kite. Mine is not clear, but if you will go to page number 249 of your book, you can see easily. Okay, that only 1 line of symmetry you will get. Okay, Then I will leave trapezium, then come to semicircle. Semicircle again, only one line of symmetry. If I will talk about semicircle, semicircle कैसा होता है? Half of the circle. So because in semicircle you get one base line, एक base मिलता है, that is a line. So you will again get only one line of symmetry, and that will pass through center of that semicircle. Yes, tell your question.
Miss,
Sorry, I'm not getting your voice.
Miss, can you again tell
From that much time, what you
how
were
you
doing?
are getting?
Why you are not getting? From that much time, what you were doing?
No, Miss, I want to ask that equilateral triangle. How three, three.
Yes. Mute yourself, Divyansh. Yes, yes, please say. Not getting your voice. Shaurya. Shaurya, unmute yourself, then you can ask your question. Lavanya.
Miss Divyansh was saying that he can't understand the equilateral triangles.
Who is saying?
So Miss Divyansh.
Okay. Pragyan.
My socialist trapezium will not come in the
No, it
exam.
will not come. What I am leaving, that will not come. Aprima.
Ma'am, what is the difference in isosceles and scalene triangle?
अरे yesterday only I told you all, ना? क्या होता है isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle when two sides are equal. Okay? Then isosceles. Scalene means what? No sides are equal. सारे sides triangle के different shape के होंगे, length के होंगे. Isosceles means when two sides will be equal in a triangle, it will be called as isosceles. And yesterday I explained it very clearly. And
Ma'am, my meeting was left.
very good. Equilateral means what? When all the three sides are equal. When all the three sides are equal, that means equilateral triangle. Mute yourself now. Anubhuti.
Miss, because of the network issue, I can't join the class. So, Miss, what have you told them now?
People have so many problems now. Means you will not able to complete one chapter in a one day. So I was explaining you rhombus. Please be on time. This is not my problem why you people are not coming on time. Rhombus, all sides are equal, but their angles are not at 90 degree. अगर 90 degree बन जाएगा, it will become a square. So that's why in rhombus only two lines of symmetry you will get. That is a diagonal. Diagonal किसे कहते हैं? जो एक इस वाले पार्ट को पॉइंट को इस पॉइंट से मिलाता है. That is called as a diagonal. Okay. So two lines of symmetry you will get in rhombus. Then we studied kite. Kite is this shape. In kite, this and this side is equal. This and this side is equal. So in kite, you get only one line of symmetry. This. Then we get semicircle. Semicircle, because you're getting one base here. Base मतलब कि एक line मिल रहा है. So we will get only one line of symmetry here. Similarly, we will study about circle. Now come to circle. This is a circle. This is a center point. Okay. This is a center point O. So how many lines of symmetry you will get? Because on circle infinite points are there. Infinite points are there. So how many lines of symmetry you will get? Infinite. Infinite lines you will get. Okay. So you can see ऐसे भी आ सकती है line, then also symmetrical, then also symmetrical, then also symmetrical, then also symmetrical. Means like this, बहुत सारी आएंगी. So you will say infinite lines of symmetry. Okay, so you got circle as infinite. Square में 4, in square 4. Okay, in rhombus 2. So now we will see letters of the English alphabet. Okay, so you will see in this A, B, C, D, E, H, I, K. Let us see these letters of English alphabet. How many lines of symmetry it will have? Simple concept you have to use. कौन से वाला कैसे फोल्ड करेंगे? अगर मैं A को यहाँ से फोल्ड करूंगी, तो will I get symmetrical figure? Yes or no? If no, na, no. So that means if I will fold it from here, यहाँ से, so you will get a symmetrical figure. Yes. Okay. In case of B, if I fold it from here, if I will fold it from here, I will get a symmetrical figure. Yes. Yes. Then you will get C. C को भी अगर बीच में से fold करें, then we will get a symmetrical figure. Yes. Then I will come to B. In B also, you will see only one. If I will fold it from here, yes. What? सही है? Then we will come to E. Again, only one. In between, if I will fold, I will get a symmetrical figure. Yes, so only one. Then let us come to H. H को if I will fold it from here, then too I will get symmetrical figure. And if I will fold it from in between this, then too I will get a symmetrical figure. Yes. Yes. So H के पास कितने हो गए? 2. Here 1. Here 1. 1. 1. 1. Okay. If I will come to I, again I will also have 2 lines of symmetry. एक तो ऐसे, okay, and one from mid between. Yes, correct. 2. Then I will come to K. K again I will have only one line of symmetry. In between this. This much is clear. Is this clear? Yes. Now, more numbers are there like this. M, O, P, U, V, W, X, and Y. Okay. So again, you can tell me in this case M1, either you do from here or you do, or both the ways you do, one from here, one from here. Is it okay? Yes. Then come to T. T again only one line of symmetry. Again I will come to U. Again I will get only one line of symmetry. V also only one, and W also only one. X, and then Y. And same question, the based question is question number 1 and 2 in question exercise 21A. Yes, please say, Agrima.
Ma'am, in X there can be 4 lines of symmetry.
Where?
In X there can be 4 lines of symmetry.
How?
Miss X, this slanting line, if it will be fold, then it will be equal.
How it will be equal? Draw X and fold it.
Miss, the X one slanting line.
you will fold it, you will not get. This is a line. It's not a figure, na? एक plain figure नहीं है वो. एक line है. It will not get. You will get only two lines of symmetry. One like this. अगर इसको ऐसे करेंगे, this and this will overlap. दोनों की दोनों lines overlap हो जाएंगी. And if I will do from here, then ये वाली line is straight, ये वाली line is straight. If I will do from here, see, अगर यहाँ से करेंगे, you will see only this line will overlap with this. ये दोनों overlap नहीं होंगी. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. And in O is a circle, so we can have.
Circle is a plain figure और O एक line है गोल सा. So we have to see this line will get overlap with this. यहाँ से करेंगे this line will get overlap with this. Okay, so only two. If we will talk about circle, then infinite. But we will talk about O. O is one round circle. मतलब circumference की बात कर रहे हैं only. Okay. So
Okay.
then only two.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Yes, Abhinav. Come to exercise 21A now. Tell your question fast, Abhinav. Okay, come to exercise 21A. So, the very first question. Which letters of English alphabets have two lines of symmetry? Can you tell the answer? Very easily from here only you can tell the answer. In how many of the figures there are two lines of symmetry? I will write answer here. Exercise 21A. First one. Tell me from here.
Miss, X and H.
Sorry?
X and H.
X is there, I is there, O is there, and
Miss.
X is there.
Miss, now it's coming.
Sorry?
Miss, now unmute option is coming.
Okay, still answer of
Miss, you will have two lines of symmetry, no?
yes.
Miss, in between. Miss, in between. Miss, you will have two lines of symmetry, no?
Yes.
Miss, in between.
With what question you are asking? Tell me the question.
Miss, in you a letter, Miss, we will have two lines of symmetry, no?
How? ये तो ऐसे है ना? So if you will fold it from here, it will overlap. But if you will fold it from here, how it will overlap? It will not overlap each other. बना के देखें. अगर it will be like this, it will be like this, then it will have two lines of symmetry. But it is like this, you ऐसे आ रहा है. तो कहाँ हो पाएगा? Only one line of symmetry will be there. Only from here only if you fold it will overlap. Understood? Just draw it and try it. Okay, don't waste my time on these questions. Okay, please do it by yourself. Now come to this question. Exercise 21A. So you can see from here, how many alphabets have two lines of symmetry? You can see X, I, O, and X. So I just put the answer. Second one is, which letters of English alphabets have no line of symmetry? Whatever is written here, okay? Instead of that, whatever is left, that alphabets will have no line of symmetry. Let us check it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S. Okay, S, P, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These lines will not have any question. Is there? Kumar, Parth, any question is there? Okay, so please write this. Write these answers fast. And then come to third question. Siddhant.
Miss, we have to do in the copy or book.
In beginning only I said that you have to do in a copy. First, second, third, fourth, fifth question. Do fast. Right now, do in a rough copy. Afterward, do in a fair copy. If you don't have time, please do fast. And rest of you, please lower your hand. All of you lower your hand. Everybody lower your hand. Lavanya, Agrima, especially you both. Lower your hand. Yes, Ayushi.
Miss, O can have 4 lines of symmetry, ma'am. I think.
Huh?
Yes, if we draw a slanting line there, like.
How it will have 4 lines of symmetry?
It can overlap, ma'am. If we draw.
Don't see, just go through the book's figure. It will have only 2 lines of symmetry. It will not have 3 lines of symmetry, only 2. Okay.
Thank you.
Write fast, write fast. Come to third question now. This is given in your book, page number 250. Okay, you can consult from there. Now come to the third question. Come to third question. Have you written this? Take out your pens. Please take your scale and pencil and compass. What is the problem? Say, Anshika, fast.
Miss, nothing.
Then don't raise your hand. Lower your hand. Okay. Please take your pencil and scale and see what is given in the question. Question number 3 is construct a triangle. जब भी construct लिखा होता है means you have to use compass. Right now I don't have compass. Yes, you all have compass with you. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. ठीक है? कोई length नहीं दी हुई है. No length is given. Means you can take 5 centimeter or you take 6 centimeter. Whatever you want. Okay? Take your scale. Okay, take your scale. If this is the scale, take your scale. Keep your scale like this. Take compass and take 5 centimeter distance. Can you take? Okay, if this is a compass, what you have to do, take a scale and with that put the tip of compass. So tip होती है compass की, इसको रखेंगे पहले वाले line पे and we will take a distance till 5 centimeter. If you want to take 6, you can take. If you want to take 7, you can take. Because in question, length is not written. Take, okay? Now, with the help of the scale, draw 5 centimeter base. Draw 5 centimeter base. With the help of scale. Done? Done? Yes? सबने बना लिया with the help of scale. Now, put the tip, जो compass we have taken ना 5 centimeter length. Put the tip of compass at point this. And name it as BC. B and C. Done? You don't know how to draw a line of 5 centimeter? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw it now. Then why are you raising your hand? Draw a line of 5 centimeter. Now put the tip of compass at point B. B पे टिप रखने कंपास का जो नुकीला वाला पॉइंट होता है उसको रखेंगे B पे and you make one arc. Make one arc and don't disturb that compass. Put the tip of compass means नुकीला वाला point C पे रखेंगे and make one arc again. It will cut that arc. See, everybody's arc is cut. Yes, please show me thumbs up. Yes. Yes, what? Very good. Name it as A. Okay. अब क्या करेंगे? Scale रखेंगे and we will meet this point A to B and we will meet this point A to C. Scale से, with the help of a scale and pencil, meet this point A to B and A to C. Everybody can do. Yes. Yes.
From Miss, where we have to do the arc, Miss, near the line or above the line?
Sorry.
Miss,
The arc will be with the light pencil. B पे रखा टिप और एक arc लगाया. We will put a tip at C and we will make one arc. जहाँ पर ये arc कट कर रहा है, that is point A. Okay. And from there, with the help of scale and pencil, meet this A to C and meet this A to B and C. We will construct a triangle. समझ में आ गया?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now, so which type of triangle you got? This is an equilateral triangle. Why? Because all the three sides are equal. Now, यहाँ पे ऐसे लिख देना है 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 5. Yes? Yes? Now, what you will do, from here, with the help of scale and pencil, you will keep your scale like this and dotted line you will draw. Okay? Again, you will put the scale here at point B and then again you will make one dotted line. Again, you will put scale here and you will make one dotted line. Okay? You will see this will cut at D नाम कर देते हैं, इसका नाम E, इसका नाम X. Is it okay? D, E, F. Now, how many lines of symmetry you got? 3, right here. So, we got 3 lines of symmetry. Yes? Understood? Who is this? Anshika Upadhyay and Shaurya. Yes, done? Everybody got? Okay. Now, fourth one is the what problem you are having always, Shaurya? What happened? Say what happened. Say your question. Say fast. Oh, I can't see. Show me your copy fast, Shaurya. Yes, correct.
This. Okay, ma'am.
Now come to fifth question. Third is your homework. It's okay. Third is your homework. Yes, it's correct. How you have drawn this triangle? This is a triangle or this is a top you have drawn? Okay. Now come to the next question. Now wait. Come to fifth question. Fourth is your homework. What is the problem, Pragyan?
Just please silence. I cannot see that.
Third question you will do by your own. Siddhant is correct. Siddhant is correct. Don't show. Okay, now come to the fifth question. Fourth is your homework. Shall I start with question? Shall I start? Okay, please. What happened? Please use protector. Please, you all should have protector with you. You all know what is protector? सबको पता है protector कैसा होता है? That round one, like the shape one. This shape is there? Yes, that is a protector. Yes, Abhima, please say fast.
Ma'am, that lines which you have drawn on the equilateral triangle, the dotted one, it is not showing clearly. Can you draw it a little bit more?
No, you draw it by your own because already I explained this question yesterday.
Ma'am, can you draw that lines darker? I'm saying that. Miss, not that, the dotted one.
So dotted, so you can draw it by your own now. You don't know how, yesterday, how many times I have to explain the same thing? You can't draw that. नहीं पता है, अभी तो बताया मैंने ना. Everything you want to copy it from here. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And please concentrate when I am saying something, when I am explaining, instead of just thinking of what I have to ask. Yes, what is the problem? What is the problem, Yash? Why are you raising your hand? Shrestha, please lower your hand if your queries are done. Okay, come to fifth question now. Fourth question you will do by your own. Fifth question, come to fifth question. Question number 5 is, draw a square of side 4 centimeter. ठीक है, सबको पता है कैसे 4 centimeter का square draw करते हैं? Everybody knows this? No, very good. I don't know why you people are in 6th standard. Then draw all lines of symmetry. So what you will do? First of all, you will draw a base. Scale लेंगे और pencil लेंगे. We will draw a 4 centimeter length, one line base. एक base draw करेंगे. Okay? That will be of 4 centimeter. It will be AB. 4 centimeter. Got? Why you are raising your hand, Madhvi? Why you raising your hand, Madhvi?
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Please say.
Ma'am, at date of 15, you have sent homework of 14A and B.
It is already deleted. Leave it. B is not the homework. Again, I updated the homework. Have you seen?
No, ma'am. Till now, I have not.
Please see. Now come to this. AB is 4 centimeter length. Okay, fine. Now what you will do? You will take your protector. Okay, you will take your protector and जो उसके बीच का center वाला point है, that you will keep it at point A. Understood? Yes. And you will make a 90-degree angle. 90-degree में dot लगा लेंगे. Got? Yes or no? Or else next time I will explain with the help of protector. Yes.
Miss, what you said, you can repeat again, the network problem.
Lavanna, I will give you one slab. Is that a protector? Huh? Where is the protector? Lavanya, show me protector. Lavanya, show me protector. Yes, Lavanya. Please show me protector. Right now I told you, yes, this is a protector. Lavanya, where are you? Come back and show me protector. Then I will tell you. Draw a line of 4 centimeter. AB line draw करेंगे 4 centimeter का. Okay. Then जो बीच वाला point होता है, okay, in protector, that you will put at point A, and you will see that upside 90 is written. So there you will make a point. Can you do that? Can you do that? Yes, Pragya, can you do that? Yes, very good. Again, use protector. Midpoint we will keep it on B, and जहाँ पे 90 लिखा है, you will make one point there. Done? Yes. Point बना लिया. Shaurya, done? Shaurya, done? Netra, done? Okay. Now what you will do? Okay. Now what you will do, with the help of scale and pencil, just make a 4 centimeter line. Done? Okay. Which will pass through this point. Okay. Again you keep your scale at point B. Again draw a 4 centimeter length line. Drawn? Okay. Now what you will do? Now make this line. With the help of scale and pencil, I don't have, that's why I am doing this. At the time of revision, once again I will explain this. Done? You will get a square. Then you will get a square. Where is a rectangle I can see. Pragya, is a rectangle or a square? It's a square. I can see it is a rectangle. You will get a square. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, in my square, vertically, it is coming 5 centimeter. From top and below, it is coming 4 centimeter.
No, so you have to draw 4 centimeter. 5 अलग रब कर देंगे उतना, बस 4 बनाएंगे.
No, ma'am, I'm doing in rough copy. So here, it is coming. This line is coming 5 centimeter.
Which line is coming?
These.
Why you are drawing 5 centimeter length line? कोई जरूरी थोड़ी ना है कि उस point तक मिलाएंगे ही. We will not draw till there. जहाँ तक 4 आ रहा है बस वहीं तक draw करेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
4 then 4 only, not 5 we will draw. It's not necessary to touch that point. Why? क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why we are doing 90 degree? So that we will get a 90 degree angle line. Okay. Line will be at 90 degree, but we have to draw only 4 centimeter length.
Okay.
Okay. And then you will join this. Okay. Mute yourself, beta. Then you will join it, and then what you have to do? Okay, 4 centimeter का midpoint क्या होगा? 2 centimeter. Yes, 4 का आधा 2 होगा ना? Now make scale रखेंगे, and we will see where 2 centimeter is coming. Make a dot. Okay. Similarly, we will come here, and we will see where 2 centimeter is coming. Make a dot. Now we will see here where 2 centimeter is coming. Make a dot. Where 2 centimeter is coming, make a dot. Now, with this dotted line, meet these points. So how many lines of symmetry you got? 4 lines of symmetry. Yes. Everybody got 4 lines of symmetry? मैंने क्या किया? यहाँ पे लिया 1.2 सेंटीमीटर पे at the top, and I took one at 2 centimeter, and I joined a dotted line. Again, I took H at 2 centimeter, and I took G at 2 centimeter point, and I make a dotted line. And again, diagonally, I made B to B and C to A. These namings are very important. You can name anything, but these namings are very important. So how many lines of symmetry you got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines of symmetry you got. Okay, so this chapter is done now. Till here, I want questions in your copy. So first, second, third, and fifth should be in your copy, and fourth you try it once by your own. Yes, Kumar Parth, what is the problem?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, this we have to make in a geometry copy.
How much time I have to tell the same thing? ये geometry का तो काम कर रहे हैं, so we will do in geometry copy. From beginning onwards, I am saying for chapter 14, chapter 18, and chapter 21 is a geometry work, geometry copy. Adhya.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Now I have to ask that third and fifth question is homework number 6 question is true and false. So we have to do it in book or in copy.
No, only till fifth only we will do. Only till fifth question we will do. In exam, only till fifth will come.
And okay, ma'am.
Anshika Rai.
Miss, you have said that we have to write all 5 questions in the geometry copy. Miss, we have to write lesson number and lesson also.
Definitely. Pratyusha.
Ma'am, I am not able to draw triangle. I am not able to
Then
construct
go
triangle.
to fifth class. You don't know how to draw a triangle.
Ma'am, I can't. Ma'am, I am not able to construct it by an arc. Ma'am,
Just draw a 5 centimeter base. Base बनाना आ गया? Scale और pencil use करना आता है? You know how to use scale and pencil? Please draw first.
John.
Yes, Celestine.
Ma'am, why we can simply draw with scale a square? Why we are...
What happens that time that 90-degree angle doesn't come. Okay. The most important thing is in a square that angle should be of 90 degrees. So that's why we are using protector.
Ma'am,
Okay.
for appropriate.
Sorry.
Appropriate angle.
Yes, that's because so that we can get the appropriate angle. That's why.
Yeah, ma'am.
That's why we are taking 90 degree, 90 degree. It's important. Yes, Pratyusha. Then what you will do? Take your scale liya, and take compass. Compass, not protector. Yes, with the and pencil will be there. And take 5 centimeter length distance. 5 centimeter का distance लेंगे with the help of that compass. Taken? Yes. Now see what you have to do. Look here. Taken? Now the tip है, tip means जो compass का नुकीला वाला part है, that you put at point B. B पे रखेंगे. Okay? And we will make one arc. एक arc बनाएंगे ऐसे करके. जहाँ भी है, wherever it will come, just make one arc. Okay? Now don't disturb that compass. Now put the tip of compass at point C. Same length. Don't disturb it. Put the tip of compass at point C. Again make one arc. And you will see both arc will cut at any point. Can you see? That is a point A. अब उससे मिला देंगे B को and from A to C you will get a triangle. What? Ayushi.
Miss, we can directly construct the triangle by measuring 5 centimeters, no ma'am? Then
That also you can do, yes, but just read construct. Construct का मतलब ही होता है that you have to use compass.
Miss, thank you, Miss.
Yes, Pragya.
Is this correct?
Now it's correct. Yes. Now it's correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anshika Rai. Okay, now time is over. Please complete this geometry.
Miss,
Next. Yes.
Miss, graph book we have to buy. Miss,
I will not
tomorrow
give you.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so now we will do graph work and data handling. Okay? So data handling first we will do. I know your copies will be with me, so you will do in rough copy. Okay? After that we will do graph. So graph, you all have to buy a graph copy. So please, at least 10 pages should be there in that graph copy. You all must have graph copy. Okay, fine. Yes, Mohammed, who is there? Now it's over. So please complete your work and please give me complete work. Otherwise, this time I will not check your copies. I will return you back. Yes, Mohammed. Aman, who is there?
Ma'am, is it correct?
Just wait for a while. I can't see. I can't see.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, I can't see. Keep it at proper distance. Yes, Akshat. Yes, Akshat, what is the problem?
Ma'am, you will be uploading this video.
You can see from last 1 month that uploaded video you get after a week. Now mute yourself. Raj Srivastava, what is the problem? Mute yourself. Raj Srivastava, what is the problem? Okay, now time is over. So please complete your work and give your copies for correction. Yes.
Miss, I have small graph copy. Miss, I can do it.
You can. It's not important to buy a big one. Small will also work. Okay, so thank you so much, class. Yes, what happened, Shaurya? Okay, so thank you so much, class. Please complete your work. Okay, till 5th question, complete your work.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.